And I'm thinking to myself, we got these chatbots that are going to be fantastic. Salesforce Agentforce, you go and you can code it pretty quickly, and you have your data underlying. You have OpenAI, which has some of the best models and some of the best workflow in combination with Azure. So, Gabriel, I'm not sure if you want to take it, but I'm going to throw it to you. Who do you see as leading the charge here in terms of these AI services? What are the most fundamental aspects of the solution, whether it's the model, whether it's the data, maybe it's the pipeline, from OpenAI down to the big software platforms, who do you think is really well positioned to deliver this next wave of these services?
Well, I think OpenAI is working a lot on data pipelines, because data pipelines is actually the unlock to using agents the right way. AI agents should be used more in the background and less in the foreground. So chat is very limiting, but all sorts of decisions, scoring, classification, and all the stuff that can happen in the back that kind of act like software microservices more than answering your question. That's
really interesting. So the idea, it's going in the background, it's deciding to prompt, where is that actual part? It's deciding to prompt, maybe I should look up that invoice. And all you're seeing is a final answer.
Yeah, and also I think that in the future, and I'm actually betting on it, agents in the background are just surfacing actions for you on your dashboard. And you're there as kind of like the ultimate decision maker, where the AI says, I think you should, okay, yes. I think you should move this to this, yes. There's an alert on invoice A, click and go there. Invoice A has been corrected to blah, blah, blah. Is this correct? Yes or no? So, but not in a chat interface, because that would be too limiting. If you make me head of the control center, and around me there's a set of micro agents who chat with each other, extract the data, surface it, then you can get into more risk management. So I have a manufacturing manager for my plastic cups manufacturing. He's the only one who knows how things should be done, on what lines, where the parts are weaker, where's the overheating, where's the underheating on it. And he's the only one who knows that, and there's no way to brain dump that until he can explain the rules to some agents. And the agents can go in the scheduling in the background, and a junior person would say, okay, manufacture 1,000 cups, done. All work orders are allocated in the right order lines. Everything is prepared. Bill of materials is allocated, and all of that stuff just happens. But it's not magic. It's a bunch of scoring in the background. It's a bunch of AIs talking to each other, a bunch of small agents figuring out what is the best outcome using the human biases of knowledge, thus reducing the risk that if that person goes on vacation or like is tired of working with you or you can't stand them anymore, then you got a problem. Yeah.
So Gabriel runs a software company called Naologic, which is a next generation ERP. So he knows a lot of the ERP workflows. And I'm going to give you the pitch. Folks, you should check out Naologic. Okay.
Thank you.